birthday.
16
Ate.
na.
6-7 din na. Gino, din yung mga 17.
16 na mo niya kanina.
Pagi na, din na ilat hiya.
Sige,
17 nga lang yung 14, 15 na nga nito. Diba?
It's denial.
Parang pero yung teenagers ko lang hindi din yung ikaw, Regine, ikaw.
Happy birthday!
Sa'yo. Sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Brett! Thank you for everything. Thank you for being a good Nuna. Sana. Sana daw mabating birthdays para daw matampak chocolate. Chocolate. Yun, happy birthday. Thank you. Mwah.
Hi Bars! Happy birthday! I wish you have many more birthdays to come, more candles to blow, more boylets to come. Thank you, pero may kaadaha on site. Bisan, diron pero nakikipupod ha iyo may na others up. Thank you. Yun, kanay mo mamaya. Happy birthday, Barnes. Love you.
Brenda.
Brenda! Hey, birthday mo. 17 ka na, friends. Since grade 6 pa ito, pero ka nagpaka-ponytail. Ako lagap na piling niya na naka-ponytail. Ikaw, nakalugay ka na. So, naman ako. Friends, 17 ka na. Mag-graduate na kita this year. Pupurong vlog na kita. Di na kita mag-kadawad. Lulagin na yung perla na. Nawala na. Tapos, pagpagkasana. Lose weight. Pero may lang pag-jog. Every Saturday, pagkaklase na. June 2, it's a very special day to you. Birthday na birthday mo ito. The day you were born, and still, you were born that way, baby. Mama told me when I was young, I'll be a policeman. Sherry! Joke la. Last message ko imo and the near future naton, sana tigir talaga kita. Tapos kan nagrayo na kita, ha? Sige, bye-bye. Happy birthday! Thank you for everything. Thanks for being a good best friend. Gosh, Mika's drunk. Minom niya ini. Nakastrop ako with you. Kaya ako minom. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Sorry, kung ka. Nakubat na niya sometimes. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry na kaya ka. I wish you more birthdays to come. 17 ka. 17 ka na. May kasi yung 14. Lagi. Happy birthday, Brad. Good health. Pagkasa ka na. Happy birthday, Brad. I love you. You?
I'm Brian. Happy birthday. Bilang pinipigil sana. Pinapil.
Hi, Sissy! It's me! Hi! Happy birthday! Happy 17th birthday! Hindi na ikaw pang 16. How could you? Well, happy birthday. Remember mo, Tanduay Ice nga nahubugi Yasmin. It was a great experience. Because first time niya uminom nga nahubog, namulaan. In this era, talingan na. Wow! Balito, happy birthday, balit. Wish ano? Good health and many more birthdays to come. Sana magkilig talaga kita bisan harayo na kita in school. Sana din pinagpagod ka magsarakay at natin ka mag-ino. Naton grade 6, first year, second year. First year, second year lang.